Hi learners! Welcome to today's lesson. Today we will be setting purpose, reading a new engagement text and a new decodable reader.
Materials!
Let's put our thinking caps on. Are you ready? Here are today's learning targets. Using evidence from the text, I can answer questions about the story Sam's Hammer. I can read high-frequency words and words that don't play fair. And I can read the decodable text Sam's Hammer. Let's get reading.
Transition song.
It's time to hear a story, a story, a story. It's time to hear a story and say what you've learned.
Read aloud.
It's time to listen to a new engagement text. This text is called Sam's Hammer. Get comfy and cozy and listen while I read this aloud to you. When we're finished reading, we'll talk about the story together. Sam's teacher gathers the class together in a circle. She says, "I have good news. Our class will perform a play. The play will be about an old farmer and his farm." The kids are glad, and they begin to chatter about the roles they want to play. James wants to be the old farmer. Nell wants to be the banker. The teacher explains that they first have to try out for the roles in the play. But Sam is shy. He thinks, what if I get embarrassed on stage? What if I trip over the set? He does not want to perform in the play. Sam tells Dad he wants to be part of the play, but he doesn't want to be on stage. Dad thinks about it. Sam, you can still help. You can use your hammer. Sam smiles. I will not be a performer, but I will help make the set. That will be much better. Sam and the kids work hard to get ready for the big night. Nell is working on her lines. James works too. All the kids help out. Sam hammers. He gathers parts for the set. He makes it look like a farm. Sam hurts his finger with the hammer. Ouch! He says out loud. The teacher takes time to look at his finger. It will be okay, she says. Thanks, Sam says. The set is ready. The kids know all their lines. Now it is time to perform. Sam is in the corner. He helps with the set. The kids perform their parts. When the play is over, the teacher gathers the kids together in a circle. She says, I am so proud of all of you. You worked hard and played an important part to make the play super. Sam says, my hammer worked hard too. All the kids giggled.
Question and answer.
I hope that you enjoyed today's story. Let's talk about it together. What was this play about? The play was about an old farmer and his farm. How did Sam help out with the play? Sam helped to make the set, or the background and all of the scenery, with his hammer. What did the teacher mean when she said, our class will perform a play? The teacher meant that the class will act out a play for an audience. So what did Sam mean when he said, I will not be a performer? Sam meant that he will not act in the play.
Transition song.
Now it's time to learn high-frequency words together. It's time to learn the words readers and writers use a lot.
Word work.
Let's spend some time looking at new high-frequency words. You will see these in our reading this week, and you'll see them in other books that you're reading. You will also use these words as writers. Our first word is around. This word does not play fair. We would expect that A to say ah, but instead it says The word around does have that vowel team OU in the middle. Around. Our next word is about. The word about starts with an A, and it's an open syllable, but it does not make a long vowel sound. Instead, that A says The OU in about does say ow. This next word, over, does play fair. We have an open syllable, O, followed by the syllable ver. That has an R-controlled vowel in it, Say it with me, over. Our last word is old. The word old has a closed syllable, but the O still says O. It's long vowel sound. Say this word with me, old.
Read aloud.
It's time to read our new decodable text. This is filled with words that you can read. You'll see many words with an R-controlled vowel that has that triplet, ER, IR, and UR. Touch your nose when you see or hear one of our new high-frequency words. Around, about, over, and old. Let's get reading. Sam's class will perform a play. The play will be about an old farmer and his farm. What new words did you find on this page? About and old. First, the kids must try out for a role in the play. The kids chatter about the roles. What new words did you find here? About. James wants to be the old farmer. Nell wants to be the banker. Did you spot a new word on this page? Old. But Sam is scared. What if I forget my lines? He thinks. He does not want to perform. Sam tells Dad. Dad thinks about it. Then he says, "You can use your hammer." What new word did you find on this page? About. That will be much better, says Sam. I will not be a performer, but I will still be a part of the play. I will make the set. Sam and the kids work hard. Nell is working on her lines. James works too. Sam hammers. He gathers parts for the set. He makes it look like a farm. Ouch! Sam hurts his finger with the hammer, but he is okay. Now it is time to perform. Sam is in the corner. He helps with the set. When the play is over, the class gathers around together. They all worked to make the play super. What word did you spot here? Over. There's another one? Around.
Closing reflection.
Nicely done. What tools or strategies did you use to help you read Sam's hammer? I bet you are looking for words with the R-controlled vowel, where the ER, IR, and UR say Continue to look for our new high-frequency words this week. Around, about, over, and old. Excellent work with your reading today. I can't wait to gather again together soon to continue our work together.